back to your favorite destination for DIY home decor ideas, where creativity meets charm. Imagine transforming old jars and teapots, items often overlooked, into breathtaking decor pieces that look straight out of a Pinterest dream board. Today's video is packed with budget-friendly DIY projects, rustic farmhouse decor inspiration, and upcycling ideas that are trending across YouTube and TikTok. If you love aesthetic transformations and cozy vibes, stay with me until the end. You won't believe idea number 10. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's begin with a magical transformation DIY jar lanterns that instantly elevate your ambience. Using old glass jars, fairy lights, and dried flowers, you can create glowing centerpieces perfect for cozy home decor or even romantic dinners. This idea taps into trending keywords like aesthetic lighting decor and DIY candle jars. The soft glow reflecting through glass creates a warm, inviting mood that feels both rustic and luxurious. It's simple, affordable, and incredibly photogenic, perfect for your Instagram-worthy home. Turn and use teapots into stunning indoor plant decor by transforming them into mini planters. This idea is perfect for lovers of modern rustic farmhouse style. Add succulents or herbs and place them on open shelves or windowsills for a fresh, lively vibe. Upcycling decor like this aligns with current DIY trends emphasizing sustainability and creativity. It's not just decor, it's a lifestyle statement that blends nature with nostalgic charm. Create a calming oasis at home with DIY spa decor jars. Fill jars with layers of colored sand, seashells, and a candle on top. This design is perfect for those searching for relaxing home decor ideas or bathroom aesthetic upgrades. The visual layers create depth and tranquility, making your space feel like a luxury retreat. It's minimal effort with maximum impact, exactly what viewers love in satisfying DIY transformations. Who says storage can't be stylish? With a little chalk paint, old jars become trendy organizers for makeup brushes, kitchen utensils, or office supplies. This is one of the most searched DIY organization ideas on YouTube. Customize colors to match your decor theme, whether it's neutral farmhouse tones or bold modern palettes. It's practical, aesthetic, and incredibly satisfying to create. Take your decor outdoors with DIY hanging jar lights. Attach jars to hooks or tree branches and insert LED lights for a magical garden atmosphere. This idea is perfect for backyard decor ideas and outdoor lighting DIY. The result? A dreamy, fairy tale setting that feels straight out of a movie scene. It's perfect for evening gatherings or simply enjoying peaceful nights under the stars. Now let's get creative. Turn a teapot into a mini water fountain. With a small pump, you can create the illusion of water pouring endlessly from the spout. This concept is trending under creative garden decor ideas and DIY water features. It adds movement, sound, and a sense of serenity to your space. Plus, it's a guaranteed conversation starter for guests. jars with lace, burlap, or soft fabrics to create shabby chic decor pieces. This style connects beautifully with the rising grandma core trend, which celebrates nostalgic, handmade aesthetics. Use them as vases or candle holders to add texture and warmth to your home. It's a subtle yet powerful way to introduce vintage elegance into modern interiors. Hosting guests? Transform jars into decorative food containers for candies, cookies, or snacks. This idea fits perfectly into party decor DIY and kitchen styling ideas. Arrange them on trays or tiered stands for a polished look that feels both fun and sophisticated. It's practical decor that doubles as a delightful treat station. Bring life to your kitchen with a vertical herb garden using jars. Attach jars to a wooden board or wall frame and grow herbs like basil or mint. This idea is trending under small space gardening and kitchen decor DIY. It's functional, beautiful, and perfect for those who love fresh ingredients at their fingertips. Plus, it adds a refreshing green touch to your home. Transform jars into meaningful gifts by filling them with handwritten notes, DIY treats, or self-care items. Decorate with ribbons and tags for a personalized touch. This idea is popular under DIY gift ideas and handmade aesthetic gifts. It's not just decor, It's an emotional experience that connects deeply with the recipient. Simple, thoughtful, and unforgettable. And there you have it, 10 enchanting ideas that prove beauty doesn't come from expensive decor, but from creativity and heart. By repurposing jars and teapots, you're not only saving money, but also embracing a sustainable, stylish lifestyle. Which idea inspired you the most? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more DIY home decor inspiration, and share it with someone who loves creative transformations. Your dream home starts with imagination, so let's keep creating together.